Welcome to our fifth part 5 on how to create the form in HubSpot. So today we're gonna go through um, adding a form in the page. So this is our form that we did create previously in our part 5 video. So we're gonna now try to put this form here inside the web page. Let's see it first. Okay. This is our form, this is the URL, but now we want this one here to be on the page. So we're going to exit, and then we go to a page, website, and then website page. And then this one here, we can just pick any page for testing purpose. Let's pick this one here. Yeah, so now to add a module, form module, you go to content, you go to add, and then we're looking for form. It can be add. It can be maybe you're gonna have a custom module that has a form, or you can just use the HubSpot form, the HubSpot built-in form. Let's just drag it, put it there. Okay, so here you're gonna put the title of your form. For instance, download a PDF. Yeah, for instance, like download the PDF. Okay, so there are new form tests. As you can see here, if you want to edit this form here, you click there. You're gonna be able to go view form submission, clone form page using this form, and then you're gonna be able to go to see the full form editor in order to create a new form. So this is our form. Okay. So you can also add a field here. If you want to add a field, you can also add an extra field here. For instance, like add. Let's add, for instance, like date of birth. Yeah, just testing purpose. You add there. Here you can say, for instance, like download. So any update you do belong to this page only. So when you're doing this update here, it's gonna belong to this page only. Okay, so if you want to add capture, you can add capture there, and then the consent, you can try to choose which consent you like. And then here, as you can see, we did choose we're using redirect to another page. And then if you want display inline thank you, you can use there, click there, like thank you for the submission. Yeah, so you can have it there, or you can just bring it back to your thank you page where you click, you look for a thank you page, you select your thank you page there, and then here we have form automation. All right, so let's see how it's gonna look like. Okay, so edit our form. This is auto save. Let's look how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is the PDF. So if you want to center it nicely because of its big, you click there. You click this, the section, and then you center. Let's say, for instance, you give it a 740. Yeah, 740. There we go. Yeah, some of the other stuff there is just a CSS thing that you're gonna have to fix the width and stuff like that. Yeah, these are tests, and then let's preview it. So HubSpot is providing you a different way of previewing the page. So as you can see here, this is a desktop view. There you can see we have desktop view, we have iPad view, This is the way that's going to look on iPad. And then we have mobile view. This is the way that's going to look on mobile. And then if you want to see it from the front end, click there, and then after that you're going to see it from the front end. Okay, thank you so much. So we're going to yeah, so let me just show you. So now the last part here, just to see if the field that you did add, let me just double check here. So go date of birth, and then what else we did add? Download. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, so it does replicate as well here. You want it just to double check. So yeah, absolutely does replicate. So whatever you're gonna change there, so whatever that you are changing here on this page. So if you add something on the page, so which means that is gonna also reflect on your main form. Yeah, so as you can see, we did add date of birth, then we did change this one submit to download. It did also change the main form. So which means that if you're using the same form to different pages, so which means that if you're gonna add a field, it's gonna replicate that field is gonna be shown to all those other pages. So let's say for instance you're using one form to different pages. Yeah, but it's always better to add your field directly here so that you mustn't confuse yourself. So it's gonna be nice to have like all the field. You just come to the form, you come there and then directly to form, and then you search for a form and then you edit. If you want to add a new field, it's better for you to add a new field to the source forms directly. So that's why you're not gonna feel like a bit confused, because if you're gonna add here, it's gonna give you an impression of the stuff that is happening here is not gonna happen to your main form. Okay, great stuff. So we're gonna create another video to on how to create different kind of properties uh, in HubSpot and to use it in your form. Great stuff. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video.